2010 Toyota Tacoma double cab, 6-cylinder, 48,000 miles. No accidents. Alloy wheels, premium alloy wheels, brand new tires, running boards. Aftermarket tail lamps. Yes, this really has 48,000 miles. It is a two-wheel drive. Rear sliding glass. Bed protector with all the tie downs. Not a door ding or a rock chip on it. Front and rear bumpers are like new. Truck needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Clean Carfax, no accidents. Highly sought after double cab Tacoma. Fog lights. Always been a Texas vehicle. Original floor mats. Power windows and locks. $48,430 miles at the time of this video. No rips, stains, or wear marks anywhere. Everything works. Has all the tools, jack, everything. Truly like new. 2010 Toyota Tacoma double cab, two-wheel drive, 48,000 miles in like new condition.